All right, patchy fog tomorrow morning here and there, and then the clouds bubble up. We may have a couple random renegade spotty showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. Coverage is going to be pretty low, but there may be just a few random ones around. The winds are out of the southwest. It's a very warm and pretty humid day. 87 for the high. It's going to feel like about 92 with highs 84 to 89 tomorrow afternoon. And you see the heat indices at 89 to 94. Now on Saturday, after the storms Friday night, we may have a couple isolated showers early in the day with some patchy fog in 68. Then some sun comes out. We may have a couple isolated storms midday through the afternoon as a weak cool front slides through. Notice the wind turning from the south-southwest to the northwest, so later on in the day we start to decrease the humidity and it will be a little cooler. Overall, a high of 83 and 80 to 86 should do it for highs on Saturday, viewing area wide. Now, I mentioned a stormy Friday night. Let's take this hour by hour futurecast. First things first, this is this evening and tonight. A few isolated showers and storms coming from the northwest. We're talking 8, 9, 10, 11, even up through midnight. And then by the time we get to 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, these are diminishing. They're getting out of here. There's tomorrow morning. This is getting into tomorrow afternoon. A few very random showers or storms can't be ruled out. This is 4:30. You see one or two here and there with the 80s and the humid to muggy weather tomorrow. Beyond that point, though, we've got a little lull for tomorrow evening, and then tomorrow night, storms fire to the west. They're on the move eastward, and here they are overnight. We're talking 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning here. Broken line of storms coming in from the west. This may have some severe weather risk with it. That jets out of here, and then we're okay for a chunk of Saturday. But then again, midday to the afternoon, this little weak front comes in from the north, and there may be a small isolated storm or two along that front during that time. Now, Friday night, Saturday morning, though, it's a slight risk pretty much west of US 41. The rest of the area is marginal. Slight is 2, marginal is 1 out of 5. This slight risk may be extended eastward based on new data we're seeing right now. We'll keep an eye on it, but just be aware. Overnight Friday night, early Saturday morning, the risk of some severe weather. The main threat would be a few severe gusts, and we'll get some decent downpours too. Sunday's okay, but then Monday, storms come back in. Can't rule out some locally heavy rain, some severe weather risk. Showery, cooler Tuesday. We look to later next week, more storms come in at that point. So the rainfall will continue to add up. Now this is just rainfall up to Saturday morning, and you see some parts of the area are going to get more than 1 inch of rain. Rain's going to vary a little bit, but I think there are going to be multiple locations that see more than 1 inch of rain. There's the 83 Sunday, 82 on Monday, only in the mid-70s on Tuesday. 81 Wednesday, then again stormy again late next week, and then it's much better next weekend, lower humidity, highs in the 70s and 80s.